how to add USDT to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, make sure to have the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. Now log into your wallets on your Phantom. So after that, what you need to do, so as you can see, I don't have the USDT on my wallet. So to be able to add it to my wallet, what you need to do, now click on buy, as you can see. So if you click on buy, now you can't find anything from here. So what you need to do, now go back to your account like that, as you can see. So what you need to do, now go to, I guess this is the search or the search bar, as you can see. Now after that, scroll down and click on Jupiter. So now they will redirect you to Jupiter provider page. Now after that, what you need to do, now click on connect. Now you need to connect your Phantom Wallet, click on view more wallets, and now select your Phantom Wallet. So because I connected before, I can find it in the recently used category. Now select your Phantom Wallet. So after you connect your Phantom Wallet, now you can add your USDT by converting your funds on your Solana to USDT to be able to add it. So what you need to do, now from the selling, now click here and select the Solana that you have funds on, and now in the buy-in, click here and select the USDT that you want to add to your wallet. Now here, make sure to enter how much you want to convert of your Solana. So if, for example, if you have like 10 Solana and you want to convert like just one, like that. So as you can see, they will give you 151 of USDT. Now after you provide how much you want to convert, click on swap. So because I don't have any funds on my Solana, for your case, click on swap and a pop-up will be appeared here from your wallet to confirm the transaction. After that, the USDT will be added to your Phantom Wallet. So how to find your USDT? So if you don't find it on your home, so as you can see, open your wallet like that. So if you don't find your USDT here, click on manage tokens list, and now you can search for USDT like that. So after you find it, just you can enable it from here by clicking on a button here to add it to your wallet. So this is how to add USDT on Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks video.